Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Ngicela subscribe beni. So guys, ugogo skhotheni lo Monde they went broadcast yabo, and then they were talking about their marriage in general, and then there were issues that were pointed out guys. Monde was the cheater, and at the same time Monde like ugogo skhotheni has cheated with couple of people. That's when ugogo skhotheni wathi hayi kahleni, what do you mean by a couple of people? Manje you want to ngithini ngani mina ngiyini, I'm a home. And then in that also guys, ugogo skhotheni went on to saying that yena she never cheated, but she moved on while she was still in the relationship no Monde. So uMondli was like shocked ukuthi hayi kahleni, isn't that called cheating? But ugogo skhotheni went on to denying the fact ukuthi yena uchithile. She's saying ukuthi yena she moved on while she was still no Mondli in the relationship. And guys, I'm a comments coming down that broadcast comment section, yo, they are crazy. Because guys, the other one went on to saying the respect that he still gives you, shout out to uMondli. And then Gogo skhotheni went on to saying hayi kahleni, he only does that because he is in front of our cameras. And the other one went on to saying, Gogo, you had a food husband, trust me. I understand that the person wanted to say good husband, trust me, there is nothing out there, not unless you get something better. And then Gogo skhotheni went on to saying, I'm engaged to be married now, babe. Like, a lot is happening guys. We also know that recently lapha sibona ugogo skhotheni posting about ukuthi uMondli abuser and everything like that, and jiki Gogo skhotheni went on to saying she is tired of abuse kaMondli. At the same time, she was logging in ngefone kaMondli, being live and confused. Like, we were confused as people at what exactly is happening between ugogo skhotheni no Mondli, because 1 minute they're fighting, 1 minute ngobo lavi-davi. Like, it's confusing guys. But anyway, we're still gonna have more of a broadcast and have more to hear about what exactly is happening in their relationship. But anyway guys, for now, please guys do comment down the comment section and let me know what you have to say about this. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do me the honor and do subscribe to my YouTube channel.